Hey there, welcome back. If you've been following the news, you know AI is already part of our daily lives. But what does that mean for jobs? Will AI take over or create new opportunities? Let's dive in and find out. In industries like manufacturing, AI-driven robots are doing the heavy lifting, working faster and more accurately than humans. AI-powered chatbots are already handling everything from bank queries to e-commerce support, available 24/7. AI is helping doctors analyze medical data and even assist in surgeries, like detecting cancer earlier and more accurately. AI can process data quickly and without errors, making data entry jobs increasingly automated. Self-driving cars and trucks are changing the transportation industry, meaning drivers may need to rethink their careers. Automated checkout machines and robots in warehouses are replacing human workers in these areas. AI engineers are in high demand to develop and improve AI systems. Artists and designers are using AI to enhance creativity and create faster. AI trainers teach systems how to understand the world and make better decisions. AI can't replace complex decision-making and problem-solving, so jobs requiring human brains will remain. Jobs that rely on empathy, like therapy and teaching, will always need humans. To stay relevant, embrace continuous learning. The more we adapt, the better we can work alongside AI. So, is AI the end of jobs or the start of a new era? I believe it's about adapting and learning new skills to work with AI, not against it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. See you soon!